Hello, wonderful people. Groovy Mom
Is here.
kind of a joke because Sal told me that's completely cringe. Good morning, friends. Why does it look like I'm upside down? I'm not. Hello, happy Saturday. It is not exactly morning, but it's going to be my morning because I got up earlier when the house was quiet and did some readings, drank my coffee, looked outside at the wonderful snow, and enjoyed just watching these big fat snowflakes come down. It was beautiful. And then I noticed that our wonderful neighbor was plowing the sidewalk. So that was quite a joy as well. And now there's still two people out there plowing away. But I love the snow. It's so beautiful. I'm hoping I can get out for a walk. It looks like with the sidewalks cleared today, it won't be really treacherous even in tennis shoes. But anyway, so I'm still kind of wearing my pajamas because it's a slow start today and I'm loving it. But so I was on my social media this morning. What was I on? Oh, Instagram. I'll link to where I saw this. And I saw this great idea for making a breakfast burrito that didn't involve rolling it up and making a huge mess. And I only have kind of small size burritos, but I'm going to try this anyway and see if it works. So anyway, let's just get to it. I think it's fair to say that when I saw this method on Instagram, I was pretty excited by it. But even as I make it, I think this is going to be a winner. Yes, I need a bigger tortilla, but the taste is great and it's just so simple and it just spices things up enough. So I ended up making 3 of these in total. This is the first one I made that I filmed myself making, and I think it turned out pretty decent. You can see it looks like it was dipped in egg, but you know, the egg just overflowed. I put some salsa on the side. And then after that, the result varied with my patience. I made 2 more. One of them I tried to make like the first one, but it ended up looking like it was actually wrapped in eggs because the tortilla was smaller than the last tortilla. So that's why it looks just like a omelet. And then the second one, I was going to flip, do the trifold, but I ended up just doing like a taco because the trifold was not going to happen. So they all varied in the way they looked, but they all tasted yum.